Okay guys, for this week's pyrotechnic related video, I'm going to show off my new 18-shot fan rack. Just finished it today. So basically, it's 3 6-shot racks, which have spacers like this on the bottom, or on the top and the bottom, put into an angled rack by 2 pieces of redwood and about like 24 screws. It's very stable, but it is a little on the heavy side. I measured it, I weighed it today, and it came out to about 39.8 pounds. So, probably going to be using a dolly when I move this thing around next year. The tubes are from Pyro Direct, 1.91 DR11 HDPE mortar tubes, and let's see. This is just like your standard rack right here, and then this one and this one have to have the inside right here because I ran out of 2x3s. So I put the inside rail, the inside rail like actually on the inside of the rack. So it made the tubes nice and snug, and everything's good. So tell me what you think. Firecracker Sam out.